In today's episode of our Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on the entire design workflow on how I created this social media poster in Adobe Photoshop. If today is your first time on my channel, click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon so that anytime I drop new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Now if you find this video helpful too, don't forget to smash the like button. Now let's get into the video. Alright, so now head over to your file tab right here and then click on new, and I'm going to give my project a name. So I'm going to call this new rig poster. Alright, and I'm going to set my width to 4.5 and then my height to 5, then the units will be in inches, and then leave my resolution in 300 and leave everything as it is. And then make sure you toggle this box here, the art box, right? So toggle it and then click on create. Now come here and then select the artboard 1 folder here, right? Then on your keyboard press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, right? So you are going to have 2 artboards here. Now that's what you are going to do. I'm going to head over to my resource files and then drag and drop this my color palette here to my Photoshop. Then I'm going to keep it to the right side, right? This place like that. So we are going to keep our color palette here, and then we are going to do our design on the left side. All right, if you want me to teach you how I created this color palette, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is to come here, right, the artboard one here, then click on this guy, click on solid color. Then we are going to use this color right here. So this is the color code A2 E4 F2. Then I'm going to click on OK. Alright, then I'm going to right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Head over to eraser tool, and then I'm going to so select the soft round brush, and then you are going to get rid of the lower parts here like that. Good, this is okay for me. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to add my text. So we have week. Let me increase the size to 36, 30. Then I'm going to add my week text here. Click on this guy right here. Let's increase the size. Okay, so I'm going to change the font style to black. Now I'm going to change the color, so let's sample this color here. You can use this one, right? Click on OK, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it right here, and on my keyboard press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, then move it down, then Ctrl+J again to make another duplicate, right? And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to merge all the 3 texts. Right click on it and then click on rasterize type, right click on it again, and then click on merge layers. Right now head over to your blending options and then select luminosity, then let's decrease the opacity. Let me use 10% and let's see. Okay, so 10% is okay. Then I'm going to right click on it and then click on convert to smart objects. Head over to my filter tab right here, click on blur and then click on Gaussian blur, and we are going to use 7.0 pixels. Right, I'm going to position it well. Now let's right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. I'm going to grab my brush tool and decrease the size, and then I'm still using the soft round brush. Right, now let's smoothing the edge like this. Great. If you want, you can go ahead and then decrease the opacity. Let's see. Awesome. Now this is our background, so I'm going to group these 2 layers here and then drag it to the folder icon like this. Then I'm going to rename it as background. Alright, good. Then I'm going to right click on it and then give it the red color. So the red color here indicates the background. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to add in our foreground first text. So grab your type tool or your text tool, then I'm going to add another text which is week. I'm going to change the font to this font here called Agency FB, right? Then let's change the style to bold. Click on this guy. Good. Now I'm going to adjust it like this. Okay, so I think this is okay for me, and I'm going to keep it right in the middle like this. Let me adjust it small. Okay, good. So this is the color code for the text, right? This one right here, 033A3F. and I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm going to add my next text again, which will be the Happy New. So we have Happy New like that, and I'm going to change the font to Montserrat, and then decrease the size, change this to medium, decrease the size like that. Now I'm going to increase the tracking. Okay, so this is okay for me. I'm going to put it right here, increase the tracking a little bit, and then let's see. Okay, so I think this is okay for me. Great. All right, now the next I'm going to do is head over to my resource files, then drag and drop this image right here, and I'm going to decrease the size like this. Right click on it and then click on rasterize layer, and I'm going to grab my brush tool and then select the magic eraser tool, right? And I'm going to get rid of the white background just like that, and then this part as well, because you don't want it. Okay, good. I'm going to resize it and then put it right here. Let's increase the size a little bit. Okay, all right, this is cool for me. I'm going to click on this guy. Now this is what you are going to do. I'm going to move the clock here, right, the clock image here, right below the weak text layer, so that it will be behind the weak text. Then I'm going to press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, and then move it on top of the weak text like that. So the weak text is going to be between the two clock images. Right, now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select this one, the clock image on top of the weak text, which is this one right here. Then I'm going to grab my eraser tool, right, and I'm going to change it to hard round, then decrease the size like that, and I'm going to get rid of the the right side like this. All right, so okay, let me see. Okay, so this is perfect for me because this is what we want. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select the clock image behind the weak text, then I'm going to press on the Ctrl key on my keyboard, then select the clock image in front or on top of the weak text like this. Then I'm going to right click on it and click on link layers. Now this is going to help us to keep those two images intact anytime we want to move them. All right, the next I'm going to do is to bring in my subject. So go to your resource files, then drag and drop this image right here. We'll keep it here like that. Click on this guy, let me resize it. So okay, then keep it right here. All right, so this place is okay for me. Good. If you have not gotten yourself the ultimate graphic design resource pack, then you are missing a lot, because this file comes with over 4,000 resources, and then it has everything that as a beginner you need. All right, it comes with photos, background images, color samples, free PNG, and even fonts. And if you have already gotten yourself a copy, or you've already purchased yourself from a copy of it, I want you to check the link that was sent to your email, and then click on it and then visit the folder again, because I have updated the resources. I've added more resources to it, so you can also go ahead, download, and then use for your project. Now this particular resources, trust me, I wish I had this when I started my graphic design journey. It would have saved me a lot of time, a lot of stress, a lot of all the ups and downs that you normally go through when you are finding quality resources for your work. All right, so in order for you not to endure the same pain, I've actually put together the resource pack to save you a lot of time and also to upgrade your work. It's just a one-time payment, and you are going to have a lifetime access to it. The amazing thing about my graphic design resource pack is that it will be updated from time to time. It will be updated from time to time. So as we go on, as we create more content, as the channel expands, the more resources will be added. So I will leave the link in the description of the video, then we'll check it out. Now this is what you are going to do. I'm going to create a new layer and then break it down like this. Then I'm going to grab my pen tool, right? And then this is what you are going to do. So I'm going to start from here, right, from the top here like this, then make an anchor point, right? Then come here, another anchor point, then come down like this. You need to be careful so you get it right. Good. Then I'm going to close it from this side. Okay, so good. This is okay for me. We can actually go ahead and then adjust it as we want, right? So I'm going to change the color of the shape, then I'm going to sample this color right here, then click on OK. Good. And the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that the image is sitting right on top of the shape, right? So first I'm going to select my image, which is the subject, then right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Then I'm going to reduce the opacity, right? Good. Now grab my polygonal lasso tool and I'm going to make sure that this part right here is off. All right, then on your keyboard press on the delete key, then you deselect. Let's see if this is okay. So I'm going to push my opacity to 100. All right, this looks awesome. And this is what I'm going to do. Select your shape that we just drew with the pen tool, right? Then right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Now head over to your rectangular mark tool, which is this one right here, and then you are going to divide it like this. Now right click on it and then click on layer via cut. So you are going to have two parts, the left and then the right. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the color of the left, so I'm going to go to FX and then go to color overlay, right? Then we are going to change it to this color right here and then make it a little darker. Okay, let me like that. So this is okay for me. Now this is the color code 837C74. Now I'm going to click on OK. Click on OK. Awesome. All right, so this is okay for me, right? Now the next thing I'm going to do is to select my subjects, right click on it and then click on convert to smart objects. Head over to the image tab right here and then click on adjustments, right? Then select the hue and saturation, and I'm going to change the saturation to 22 like that. Then click on OK. Good. Now select the left shape right here that we drew with pen tool. I'm going to right click on it and then click on the rasterize layer type, create a new layer on top of it. Then right click on the new layer and then click on create clipping mask like that. Yeah, I'm going to change the foreground color, so sample the color here but make it darker, right? Or if you can even go in for the black color, right? Okay, then I'm going to grab my brush tool. Let's see. Okay, then I'm going to apply the brush here like that. Good. I'm going to adjust it this way, keep it right here. Okay, then another one right here. Awesome. Then I'm going to change the opacity to, let's say 80 or 85 is okay. Now I'm going to grab my eraser tool, right, and then let me decrease the size. Okay, so this is okay for me. Now select the right shape, create a new layer on top of that as well. Right click on it and then click on create clipping mask. Let's change the foreground color. So let's sample this one and then bring it here. Okay, so this is okay for me. I'm going to grab my brush tool and apply it here like that. Good. Now I'm going to decrease the opacity to, let's say, 59. Right, so 59 is okay for me. All right, now the next I'm going to do is to group all of these. Right, so starting from the clock image all the way to the subjects, drag it to the folder icon. Then maybe I can call this my objects and subjects like that. Right, good. This will help us to keep our work very organized. Now the next I'm going to do is to add my next text. So grab my type tool and I'm going to put my text here. Okay, so we have me. Right, now I'm going to do some adjustments here. Let's change this to 0, size to 48, then the style black. Right, good. Now we are going to maintain the color code, which is 0F0F0E. all right, now I'm going to press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, then change the text to loose. All right, I'm going to decrease the size, keep it right here. Awesome. Press on Ctrl+J again, then change this to more. Sorry, we have this. And I'm going to change the fonts style to semi-bold and then decrease the size. Good. Then I'm going to put it right on top here. Press on Ctrl+J. Then we are going to change this to less. All right, so we have more win, less loss this week. Awesome. Put it right here. Now what I'm going to do is to select all these texts, right? Then right click on it and then click on rasterize type. Right click on it again and then click on merge layers. Now on your keyboard press on Ctrl+T to transform. Right click on it and then click on perspective. Right, and we are going to adjust it this way. So okay, so I think this is okay for me. All right, now the next thing is to go to my shapes and then grab my ellipse tool, and I'm going to draw a circle like this. Right, then I'm going to keep it right here. Great. Press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, then we keep it right here. Now I'm going to merge all the two, merge shapes. Then I'm going to change the blending mode to luminosity like that. All right, then let's decrease the opacity to, let's say, 20% or even less. All right, good. Then lastly we are going to add our last text. So grab your text tool and then we have here, let me decrease the fonts. So you have 12. We have here hashtag new week and another hashtag May, right, the month of May, and then hashtag more rain, just like that. And I'm going to resize it, keep it right here, and then change this to bold, decrease the size. Right, okay, let's use medium and C. Okay, so this is okay for me. I'm going to put it right here like that. Then I'm going to go this as well. And you're going to call this, let's say, the foreground text, right? Good. Now you can go ahead and then get rid of the artboard copy, which is this one, the one on the right side, right? And you can go ahead and then save your poster. Now if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, click on that subscribe button to become part of the #1 creative community, and then don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that anytime I drop any new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Until I come your way with another Photoshop tutorial, I'm out.